All right, kiddos. Today you are going to learn how to search for your own books in the library using our Destiny Library lookup system. So you can do this from any computer. You can use the computers out in the library, or you can use the computers in the lab, or you can use the laptops that you have on the cart in your classroom. The first thing you have to do is go to Clever, and we've been there a bunch of times, but just to remind you, you click on Chrome, that's the beach ball. Then you click on the folder that says GIPS and click on Clever. Okay, then we always click on Log In with Google. Now we have to find the app called Destiny. So we're going to go down, down, down a little bit. And right here, see this blue and orange one, and underneath it says Destiny? We're going to click on Destiny. Okay, now you have to pick which school you go to. So if you're one of my Jefferson peeps, you need to click on Jefferson. And if you're one of my West Lawn peeps, you need to click on West Lawn. And make sure you click on your school, otherwise you'll be looking up the wrong books. All right, so here's the catalog. This shows all of the books that we have. Right here in this box is where you'll type what you're looking for. So I want you to pretend that we're going to look for Diary of a Wimpy Kid, since that new book just came out. So in this box, you're going to click and you're going to type Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And then you're going to push, since it's the title of a book, you're going to push title. And then look, all of the copies of Diary of a Wimpy Kid come up so you can see which one you're looking for. Okay, over here, let me go back a little bit. See over here on the side, it says 3 of 3 available. That's how many we have on the shelf and how many are not checked out yet. So see, this says 3 of 3 available. That means 3 of the 3 that we have on the shelf are available for you to check out. So you can go to the shelf and check those out. If we go down here a little bit, this says that 2 of 3 are available. So that means one of them is checked out, but there are still 2 more on the shelf. Sometimes you'll find that it says there are 0 available, and that means that they are already all checked out. So you can't check out that book if it says 0 available. To go back to the screen where we search, we click right here on Library Search, and it will take us back to the box where we can type something. Now, sometimes we spell words wrong, right? Like maybe I don't know how to spell diary, but I know how to spell wimpy. You can just type wimpy and then click on title, and it will bring up the Wimpy Kid books. So you don't have to type the whole title. If you know one of the important words in the title, you can just type that. So I'm going to go back to the search. What if I don't know how to spell it? It says no matches found. So if I spell it wrong, it says no matches found. I need to try again. You can also type by subject. So if you want books about kittens, you could type kitten and then click on subject. And it will find you books about kittens. Look at all these books we have about kittens. Or if you're not really sure what to click on, if it's a title or a subject or an author, you can just click right here where it says keyword, and that's always a good one to click on for any search. Now that we have practiced looking up a book, we need to know what to write down to be able to go find it on the shelf. So let's pretend we're going to look up a book about lions. So I type lions. This time I'm going to click on keyword. And here are all of the books that come up about lions. So let's see. Let's look through here. Ooh, look, lions and tigers and bears. Why are big predators so rare? I think I want this book. So now we need to figure out what I need to write down on my little piece of paper so I can go find the book on the shelf. We talked about the call number. Remember, we talked about how Melville Dewey put call numbers on books so that every book about the same subject was together on the shelf? Well, if we write down the call number and the name of the book, we will be able to find the book on the shelf. So right here, here's the book I want. Do you see right here is the call number? That's the number that we want to write down on our piece of paper to help us find the book on the shelf. And then, of course, we also have to write down the title. So this right here, this is our title. So we have to write that down on our paper also. Then we will take our paper out to the shelf and we'll be able to go find the book that we're looking for. Now it's your turn to see if you can identify what information you're going to need to write down to find a book. I'm going to pretend that we're searching for Minecraft books. And look, when I started typing it, it guessed what I wanted. So I can just click on that and I don't have to spell the whole thing. I'm going to click on Minecraft and click on keyword. All right, boys and girls, here's the results that came up. I want you to answer the questions that follow to see if you can find the book on the shelf.